Good morning. Thank you for calling SCC Restaurant. My name is Mary Ann speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to make an order for breakfast.
Can I have your name and room number?
My name is Janina and my room number is 205.
Can I take your order now, Ma'am Janina?
Can I order 2 eggs and 1 garlic bread?
Okay. Would you like to try our best-selling French toast with strawberry syrup?
No, thank you. I just want my order to be delivered fast.
Can I take your order now, Ma'am Janina?
Can I order 2 eggs and 1 garlic bread?
Okay, 2 eggs and 1 garlic bread. Would you like to try our best-selling French toast with strawberry syrup?
No, thank you. I just want my order to be delivered fast.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just repeat your order. 2 eggs and 1 garlic bread. Did I get it right, ma'am?
Yes.
Total bill for this order is 200. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? We have cash, charge through accommodation, e-payment like GCash or Paymaya.
Cash.
I will bring change, ma'am, for your bill.
Yes, please. I have 1,000 here.
Okay, ma'am, your order will take for 15 minutes. Thank you for calling. Is there anything else, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day. Ma'am, my name is Mary Ann. Here's your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, sure.
Where would you like to set up your food, ma'am? Shall I lift to the trolley or transfer it to your table?
Transfer it on the table.
Okay, ma'am. Here is the 2-piece egg and your 1 garlic bread. Here's your water. Ma'am, your food is already set. Have a nice meal. Excuse me. Ma'am, may I present your bill? Your bill is 200 pesos.
Here's the payment.
I received 1,000. Your change is 800 pesos. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you sign a signature for our receipt? Thank you. Have a nice day, ma'am.